Hello, friends. How are you? So, friends, what was shown to me today morning is that any feminine or masculine energy, it could be either energy, but more so feminine energy. But I believe I should not say that because it can be interpreted for both masculine and feminine energy. So, what is being shown to me is that you need to have, or you already are in that stage where you will have detachment from each and every person in your current life. You will feel totally detached, or you will go through the process of detachment in the coming days. This detachment will feel like all the arrows and the swords which were there dagged into your back finally will be released, or finally will come out of your energy body. At this point in time, you are becoming aware that those swords and those arrows were there in your body, in your human form, in your energy form, causing all the extreme emotions that you went through, the emotional pain, the turmoil, the anger, the reactiveness, the feeling to shout out, take out all your anger, the feeling of fighting against resistance, the feeling of trying to overcome resistance. All those were actually energy wounds which were caused by the people around you, by narcissistic abuse, by gaslighting you, by denying that the abuse ever happened, by acts of emotional and physical violence. Till now, you were in the middle of all those activities and you could not figure out that the people who were closest to you were doing all these things. So, somehow it was justified in your mind, that this is how life is. But when you came to a realization or a better awakening that this is not how relationships are, or this is not how life is, between parents, mother, father, siblings, lovers, friends, in laws, grandparents, anybody. It could be anybody in your case who was causing the abuse, who was the narcissist, or it could be everybody who was the narcissist, or abuse going on in terms of familial patterns, some traditions, something or the else. You have broken contact. At least your mind has broken contact or will break contact in the coming 3 months. All the swords, daggers, arrows will finally come out of your energy body. You are having, even right now as I speak, a feeling of total detachment or a don't care, ignore attitude which you never had initially. Initially, you were fighting, you were resisting, whatever they were doing, and now it all makes sense, that you have finally come to the realization that yes, they are doing something negative and the acts that they're doing are negative. Earlier, it used to be, oh, how can my mother do this? No, 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 I'm just overthinking. I'm just imagining all this. And they were making you, feel like you're very sensitive and you're just imagining and you're just overthinking, to cover their own faults. They used to deny things so that they don't feel shameless of having done a wrongdoing. But finally, you are going to understand it all. There's going to be detachment. There's going to be releasing of all these daggers, swords, and arrows out of your energy body. And you are finally going to feel or experience a phenomena of cord cutting. Yes, my friends, cord cutting is happening by itself also right now as I speak. All the connections that you were binding you to these people all the cords that were binding you to these people, thinking that she is my mother, he is my father, she is my sibling, or he is my brother-in-law, she is my sister-in-law, any such cases, she is a friend from school, you are going to cut all those cords, or the cords are being going to be automatically cut. It's not like you're going to deliberately try, but one day you're just going to wake up and you're going to feel so light, and you're going to feel that it was so easy if I had cut these cords before. You're still going to be maybe living with them or even moving out, that's besides the point, but you're not going to feel connected to them or connected to the negative energy that they were sending your way. You're going to finally put a full stop to the energy that they were sending your way. This is my biggest message. There is going to be a full stop by the universe. The negative energy is still going to be there in them, but it is not going to be transmitted to you, because you have finally cut the cords with all of them. You have finally released the swords, daggers and arrows that were stuck in your back. They were kind of backbiting you, or they were trying things behind your back, and then they were just labeling you as sensitive, crybaby, overthinker, very innocent, things like that, whereas you were none of that. You were a normal human being, and they were abnormal, and they were sending negative energy your way in one doing or the other, in one way or the other. You're going to finally realize all the wrongdoings, but what does realization bring us? Nothing. Realization is awareness and awakening. The steps need to be taken further than that. So the further steps are detaching from these energies and cutting your cords, which is going to happen automatically by the universe. This time the cords are going to be cut, and you're going to have a very peaceful feeling of detachment. Finally, you may have realized this abuse or this neglect or this abandonment, or this narcissistic pattern, or even domestic violence pattern, emotional abuse pattern long back. But what is changing right now is that you are not going to be connected, or the effect of those energies of what they say and what they do is not going to come on you. And finally, you have also cut the cords with them, meaning the energy connection with them has been cut. You after realizing or after awakening to their deeds, after awakening to the narcissistic abuse, you were still bonded to the abusers, which is called a trauma bonding. Because they keep abusing you and you keep taking them, there becomes a bond, energetic bond, or even a physical bond, where you cannot leave your abuser for a long time, for years together, even after realizing, that they are traumatic or they are abusive. You cannot. It might sound very silly, to you, that the person knew about this abuse from 4 years, still they were not moving out of that house, or the female was not moving out of the house, from spousal narcissism. But it becomes very difficult, because the energy gets attached to the abuser, and his or her energy gets attached to you, which in energetic terms we call cords. Cords. So those cords, until they are cut, you will keep bonded to the traumatic person. It is called trauma bonding, which is another term, that you can study more about. So the trauma bonding was there till now. The realization had come probably 3 to 4 years back in you, that this is something different, something abnormal. This is narcissistic abuse, or I have a narcissistic family, or I have a narcissistic ex-spouse, or I have an element of narcissism in my twin itself. But now you have understood that the trauma bonding needs to be cut. The trauma cords or the trauma bonding cord cutting needs to happen, and that will automatically happen once this realization seeps in. Detachment is the word which was given to me, and finally I was shown some swords releasing out of your back, and I was also given that the cord cutting has finally happened in many of your cases, related to just narcissistic abuse which was going on, the patterns of narcissistic abuse and trauma which was being created, by people around you. And that is why now, because the full picture has been shown to me, trauma bonds have been released, cord cutting has happened, detachment has happened. Now you will start finally seeing the clarity of what your goals are, what your real goals are, what your own goals are, as opposed to what they were telling you. And so the feminine energy will start reaching her goals, I suppose. I'm connecting both the channelings together. Because unless and until there are templates of any blocks, obstacles, or trauma in you, you feel like you're working towards your goals but you do not see results, because there's a layer of negativity in your body or in your energy already existing, which you feel like you can surpass. So what, I can work triple harder or twice harder to reach my goals even if I have negative elements in my family or stuff. But it doesn't work that way. If you're depressed, if you're going through anxiety, if you have some abusive patterns in your family, you need to first recover from those, and then only you will be reaching your goals. It has been seen in many people that from 10 years they are trying to reach some goals and they are unable, they fail every time, and then they don't figure out a valid physical reason why they are failing, but actually when they go to see a psychologist or a therapist or a psychiatrist, that is when they know that they have anxiety and depression. And because of that depression, depression itself is self-explanatory. You are in a depressed state of energy, it is a low form of energy which does not make you, let's say people who were supposed to do something in 1 hour, they will take 10 days to do that task which was supposed to take 1 hour, so that is what depression is. That is why it prevents you from your goals and you don't realize it. You say that I don't have physically anything wrong with me, I can work, and I can reach my goals. Let's say it's an exam that you want to give, or let's say it's a school that you want to go to, so you cannot do all that, just because there's a element of depression and anxiety in you. So that depression and anxiety comes from various things. It comes from people around you, what they're doing, or how they're hampering your life. So right now you will go into detachment, specifically with those people around you, and you will cut the cords and you will finally get released of the trauma bonding. So now also the element of narcissism will exist in them. It will not go away, but it will not affect you, but the narcissism pattern in them will stay. And if you want full healing for that narcissism pattern, you will still have to come to me. But otherwise the narcissism pattern will keep playing out, on in your surroundings, but your cords are cut from it. Your detachment will happen and your trauma bonding will also dissolve. So finally you will start reaching your goals, my friends. Thank you very much.